Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and realizing you've made money while you were fast asleep. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's not only possible, but there's a hidden method that's been helping people achieve this kind of freedom for years? A method that most people never discover because they're stuck in the cycle of trading their time for money. If you've ever felt frustrated with the 9-to-5 grind, if you've ever wished you could create a life of financial freedom where money flows to you effortlessly, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide to uncovering this hidden method that can help you make money even while you sleep. You don't need to have a massive bank account to start. You don't need to be a tech genius or an investment expert. All you need is a willingness to learn, take action, and reframe the way you think about creating wealth. So, let me ask you this. Are you ready to unlock the secret to financial freedom and transform your life? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tap into this hidden method and take your first steps toward earning money effortlessly, day and night. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have more time and freedom, while others are constantly working just to make ends meet? The answer lies in one of the most powerful financial principles: passive income. Unlike the traditional way of earning money, where you trade hours for dollars, passive income allows you to create streams of wealth that flow to you automatically, whether you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping. Think about it. Every hour of your day is limited. No matter how hard you work, you'll always hit a ceiling because there are only 24 hours. But passive income is different. It's like planting a tree that continues to grow and bear fruit year after year, with little effort after the initial setup. Imagine creating something once, whether it's an investment, a digital product, or a business system, and watching it generate income for you repeatedly without you being directly involved. The beauty of passive income is that it's scalable. While a job limits your earning potential to your time and energy, passive income frees you from those limitations. This is why wealthy individuals often focus on building assets that work for them. They understand that true financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And here's the best part. Creating passive income isn't just for the ultra-rich. Thanks to technology and the digital age, there are more opportunities than ever to build streams of passive income, even if you're starting from scratch. Once you understand its power, you'll see that passive income isn't just a financial strategy, it's a pathway to freedom. If you want to make money while you sleep, the first thing you need to do isn't about money, it's about mindset. Most people are unknowingly programmed to think small when it comes to wealth. They've been taught that making money has to be hard, that it requires endless effort, or that only a lucky few ever achieve financial freedom. But let me tell you, those beliefs are nothing more than mental roadblocks keeping you stuck. Your thoughts about money shape your reality. If you believe you have to work non-stop just to survive, that's exactly the life you'll create. But what if you could reprogram your mindset to see money as something that flows to you effortlessly, something you attract by creating value instead of trading time? To shift your financial reality, you have to challenge the limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. For example, instead of saying, "I can't afford this," start asking, "How can I afford this?" That simple change in perspective trains your brain to focus on solutions instead of obstacles. Another key mindset shift is understanding that wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you build systems that work for you. When you let go of the scarcity mindset that says there's never enough and embrace the idea of abundance, you open the door to new opportunities. Reprogramming your financial mindset isn't an overnight process, but every shift you make brings you closer to a life where money flows to you effortlessly. It all starts with how you think, because once you change your mind, your bank account will follow. Now it's time to uncover the hidden method that can help you make money while you sleep. It's simpler than you think, and the best part? It's accessible to anyone willing to take the first step. The secret lies in building income-generating assets, systems, or products that continue to earn money for you long after you've set them up. Here's the method in action. Instead of working for money, you create something that works for you. This could be a digital product, like an online course or ebook. It could be an automated business, like dropshipping or affiliate marketing. It could even be a financial investment, like dividend stocks or real estate. The key is to build something once that keeps paying you over time. Take an example. Imagine writing an ebook. You put in the effort to create it once, upload it to a platform like Amazon, and every time someone buys it, you earn a profit. The same goes for creating an online course, developing an app, or even monetizing a blog or YouTube channel. These are assets that generate revenue while you focus on other things or sleep. The beauty of this method is scalability. Once you've built one asset, you can create another and another, compounding your income streams. The more assets you create, the more income you generate. And thanks to the internet, these opportunities aren't limited to experts or big companies. You can start small, learn as you go, and scale over time. This method is powerful because it shifts the way you think about money. You're no longer trading hours for paychecks. You're building a financial foundation that works for you day and night. And the sooner you start, the faster you can begin to experience the freedom of earning while you sleep. In today's world, digital assets are one of the most powerful tools for creating passive income. What's incredible about them is that they operate 24/7, require minimal maintenance once established, and can reach a global audience. If you're serious about making money while you sleep, leveraging digital assets is a must. So, what exactly are digital assets? They're anything created online that can generate income over time. Think about an ebook you sell on Amazon, an online course you host on platforms like Udemy, or even a YouTube channel where you earn ad revenue. These assets require effort to set up initially, but once they're in place, they can produce income again and again without you having to actively manage them every day. For instance, imagine you create a simple guide that solves a common problem. Maybe it's about budgeting, fitness, or learning a skill. You write it once, upload it to an online marketplace, and every time someone buys it, you earn money. Or consider starting a blog or podcast about a topic you're passionate about. With the right content and consistency, you can attract an audience and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. What makes digital assets so appealing is their scalability. Unlike a physical business, where you might need to restock inventory or hire employees, digital assets can serve thousands, or even millions, of people with no extra effort on your part. They grow your income without taking more of your time. The digital age has opened up endless possibilities, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. Whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner, there's a digital asset you can create. And the best part? Once it's live, it keeps working for you, day and night, bringing you closer to the financial freedom you deserve. Wealth creation isn't just about making money. It's about letting your money grow and multiply over time. This is where the snowball effect of wealth comes in. Imagine starting with a small snowball at the top of a hill. As it rolls down, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. The same principle applies to building wealth. With the right strategies, your passive income can grow exponentially, creating a powerful cycle of abundance. Here's how it works. Once you've set up one source of passive income, you don't stop there. You reinvest part of that income into creating or acquiring more income-generating assets. For example, the profits from an online course could be used to launch another course, invest in stocks that pay dividends, or build a digital product like a mobile app. Each new asset adds another stream of income, just like adding more snow to the ball. The real magic happens when these streams begin to compound. Let's say you earn $500 a month from one digital asset and reinvest it into a new project that generates an additional $300 per month. Soon, you're making $800 a month passively. Repeat this process, and over time, your income snowballs to a point where it surpasses your expenses, giving you financial freedom. The snowball effect also applies to reinvesting time and knowledge. As you learn from your experiences, you become more efficient and skilled at building wealth. Each success makes the next one easier and faster. The key is consistency. The snowball doesn't grow instantly. It takes time, patience, and a commitment to reinvest. But as it grows, the momentum becomes unstoppable. This is how true wealth is built, not through one big breakthrough, but by letting small efforts compound into life-changing results. When building passive income, many people make mistakes that can slow their progress or even derail their efforts altogether. The good news is, once you're aware of these pitfalls, you can avoid them and stay on track. One common mistake is expecting results overnight. Passive income takes time to build. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate returns, but remember, the initial effort is an investment in your future. Stay patient and consistent, and the rewards will come. Another mistake is not diversifying your income streams. Relying on just one source of passive income is risky. If it dries up, you're left with nothing. Instead, aim to create multiple streams to ensure stability and growth. People also often fall into the trap of perfectionism. They spend so much time planning and tweaking their idea that they never actually launch it. Remember, it's better to start with an imperfect asset and improve it over time than to wait for the perfect moment that never comes. Finally, a big mistake is failing to reinvest. Spending all your earnings instead of using them to create more assets stops your wealth from growing. Reinvest a portion of your income, and you'll set yourself up for long-term success. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll stay focused, motivated, and on the path to building a life of financial freedom. Getting started with building passive income is simpler than you might think. The key is to take action today, no matter how small that first step may be. Start by choosing one idea that excites you, whether it's creating a digital product, starting a blog, or investing in a platform like stocks or real estate. Next, do a bit of research. There are countless free resources online to guide you through the process. Don't overwhelm yourself. Focus on just one method and learn as you go. Remember, you don't need to know everything to begin. The most successful people didn't wait until they had all the answers. They learned by taking action. Then, set a goal. Decide what you want to create, how much time you'll dedicate, and what steps you'll take this week to make it happen. Even dedicating 30 minutes a day can lead to big progress over time. Finally, take that first step now. Open a free account on a platform like Amazon, Udemy, or YouTube, or outline your idea in a notebook. Starting today isn't just about building wealth, it's about building momentum. And once you begin, you'll already be closer to making money while you sleep. You now have the tools and knowledge to start building a life where money works for you, even while you sleep. From understanding the power of passive income to creating digital assets and avoiding common mistakes, the path to financial freedom is clear. The question is, will you take the first step? And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper? If you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Remember, this isn't about overnight success. It's about creating a system that grows steadily, like a snowball gaining momentum. Every small action you take today is an investment in the abundant future you deserve. So, don't let doubt or hesitation hold you back. You have the power to transform your mindset, take control of your finances, and build the life you've always dreamed of. Start now, because the sooner you begin, the sooner you'll wake up to the reality of earning money effortlessly. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Let's make it happen.